The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a masterpiece that combines raw power, cutting-edge electronics, and a striking design to deliver an unparalleled riding experience. At Auto Igniters, we bring you the exclusive details about this ultimate superbike that sets new standards in the world of high-performance motorcycles. Let's begin with what makes the Aprilia RSV4 Factory a true legend: its high-speed performance. Under the sleek exterior lies a heart-pounding 1099cc V4 engine, capable of delivering an astounding 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. This makes it one of the most powerful superbikes in its class. Designed for speed enthusiasts, the RSV4 Factory accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds and boasts a top speed of over 180 miles per hour. The bike's lightweight chassis and advanced aerodynamics ensure precise handling, making it equally thrilling on the track and the open road. One of the standout features of the 2025 RSV4 Factory is its advanced electronics. Aprilia has equipped this superbike with its state-of-the-art APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, which includes cornering ABS, wheelie control, traction control, and launch control. The 6 riding modes, 3 for the track and 3 for the road, allow riders to customize their experience based on their preferences and conditions. Additionally, the advanced semi-active suspension system ensures optimal comfort and stability, even at high speeds. The inclusion of a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity provides real-time performance data and navigation, making the RSV4 Factory as smart as it is fast. Moving on to the exterior, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory in Lava Red is a sight to behold. The aggressive design, sharp lines, and signature winglets not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency. The dual LED headlights with integrated DRLs give the bike a menacing look, while the sculpted fuel tank and carbon fiber accents add a premium touch. The lightweight forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires, ensure maximum grip and stability. Whether it's parked or speeding down a straightaway, the RSV4 Factory is guaranteed to turn heads. Now, let's talk about the price. Owning a 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a dream for many, and with a starting price of around $25,000, it offers exceptional value for a superbike of this caliber. While it may seem like a significant investment, what you're paying for is a combination of race-inspired performance, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design that few competitors can match. In conclusion, the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is a superbike that delivers the perfect balance of speed, innovation, and style. It's designed for riders who demand the very best and refuse to compromise on performance or aesthetics. From its exhilarating power to its intelligent electronics and breathtaking design, the RSV4 Factory is a true game-changer in the world of high-performance motorcycles. At Auto Igniters, we bring you the latest and most exciting updates about the future of automobiles and motorcycles. If you're as impressed by the Aprilia RSV4 Factory as we are, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content.